Hi guys, welcome to another channel. Today we're gonna open a mechanical keyboard, man. Let's go. Come on. First mechanical keyboard. I hear that mechanical keyboards are satisfying and changeable. The keys and like the like keycaps too. Yeah. So let's unbox this. This is the G75 V2. From I don't know. What is this? Bro, can you like explain bro? I cannot say English today, so F myself. What is this like 牌子 in Cantonese? I don't know what is his logo. I don't know how to say this. So F myself, man. Mechanical keyboard. Right here, mechanical keyboard. Youngest choice. That's stupid. So let's unbox this. Let's unbox this, man. Come on, give me. And guys, wait, guys, wait. What happened to the package, man? I hope my keyboard doesn't get damaged. I'm gonna get mad. I'm so mad. I'm gonna throw my phone and I get buy a new phone again. Let's open it. Wow, not bad at all. The first one is this. This is crap. Now let's see the what. Let's see what is in here first. Some box. This. What is this? Cables and keycap changer. I think it's called. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Oh shoot! That is ripped. Flipping package. Crap. Here we go. Trash. This is the changing keyboard or keycaps or keys like inside the keycaps. The wire is this keyboard is wireless, so I'm not gonna use this. But this I'm gonna keep. Put it into the box. I'm not gonna use this. Put your right here. Let's take the mechanical keyboard out. Trash. Trash. That's like what is the oh here. I'll get let you guys see. Wow. Color is not bad, but like good, but not that good. So this wireless, I can like let you see. You got like a USB stick, a USB stick. Put it back. You got the volume button right here. Got the volume button. This is just like the LED button. Let's hear the sound first. Let's hear the space button. Ooh, wow. Let's open it. Let's see the light. Let's see the light. Wow, the lighting. Dude, you can see the word now. Let's see. Damn, so satisfying. Make sure to like and subscribe and yeah, mechanical keyboard. Peace.